You've been eating vegan for months, avoiding all meat and dairy. The scale just isn't budging, and you're starting to wonder if plant based eating is just another diet myth that doesn't actually work for weight loss.
Today, we're uncovering why so many people fail at vegan weight loss and what actually works for lasting transformation.
Quick question for you. Are you frustrated because you thought going vegan would automatically make you healthier and lighter? Most people,
That's what they
that,
think.
that's what they think.
They equate eating vegan to eating healthy because they gave up the meat and the dairy. So they're thinking, oh, I'm golden.
And it's not working, because
Correct.
how many meals have we eaten that left you feeling heavy and unsatisfied, even though it's considered vegan?
Yeah. We all fall into this trap. We were lulled into it ourselves some years ago.
It was like late 2017, 18-ish, somewhere in that
I was
ballpark.
2016 into 2017, 2018. We were, because when we first went vegan, we did not do any oils and I cooked a lot of the meals. But then started traveling, and to save time and for transportability, I would buy the vegan stuff that's all processed food. But I never made the connection. That's a processed food. I never looked at the labels to read the oils, the seed oils, the food coloring, all the additives and preservatives, and the sodium count. I didn't think of all of that. So all I know is like, oh, tortilla chips, they like it. It's vegan. Oh, Beyond Meat burgers, it's vegan.
Yeah.
Cheese, it's vegan. Oh my goodness, it's like the real thing.
And that's what a lot of people think too. Like, oh my gosh, these vegans, they still have all these issues, so it doesn't work. However, it's a trap that we fell into by eating all the processed stuff, because really the typical vegan approach, which includes what, those Beyond Meat burgers, we were
Yes.
big into those. Oh my
Yes.
God.
And the fries, you just heat it up in the oven because
Yeah.
it made life easy. We had opened a jar of spaghetti sauce and heat it up in the pot to make life easy.
You said it right though, those chips, but I love some corn and potato chips. Oh my God, all the time,
Yes,
right?
because every time we would have Mexican or we make
That's right.
nachos, we're thinking, oh, we have
Vegan
our vegan
cheese.
cheese on it. Yeah, it's good. We
Yeah,
put in the crumbles of the Beyond Meat crumbles on top of it.
that's right.
It
And
was
then the
so
one,
bad.
oh, we're doing so good because we were vegan. But here's the thing: is also, but the drinks, we didn't drink as much water as we do now. We're drinking sweet tea, had a Lipton tea, the sugary mix we had to have in there. The sodas. I mean, it was when
All
you
right,
didn't
hold
drink
on.
it.
I don't drink
I
soda.
drank the sodas, but you know what I'm saying.
No, but we did buy the creamers that were loaded with, when we would make coffee, we would load it, have the creamer with the oils in it. And even the milks that's on the shelf, the almond milks, they were sweetened. And
Yeah.
believe it or not, almond milk, some of them have oils in it. And we didn't know.
I mean, seriously. I mean, I look back on how many meals we ate and how long we ate it for. I mean, how many junk food vegan meals are you eating, and do you think you're really going to get different results than regular junk food? We experience definitely not. And here's the thing: when it comes to processed junk food, it creates the same metabolic dysfunction and weight gain
The
any
traditional
processed
one.
diet.
Yeah. And just some people, like I didn't realize processed food was anything in a package that's been made to look good. So that's chips, tortilla chips, popcorn, low fat, right?
Natural.
Right? Anything that came in a package that you open, sunflower seeds come in a package, but sometimes you have to read the label because sometimes they spray with oils. I did not realize that I was eating all that processed food. I used to hear about it, but I didn't make the connection. And I think a lot of people don't realize.
It's hard to, because you have the big food companies out there and they hijack this whole movement about natural and healthy eating, the whole foods, and they create all these convenient chemical concoctions, like you
Concoctions.
call them, and they start marketing it over and over, and we call it greenwashing.
Yes, it is greenwashing. And if you find a particular product that you actually love and it's clean and you've read all the ingredients, and then a year or two later, you're wondering what's happening, you have to constantly keep rereading those ingredients because sometimes big food buy out those smaller companies that created that clean product. And over time, they incorporate it into their business model where they slowly swap out ingredients.
Yeah, so if you're confused, it's not your fault, because these fake foods keep you on the same path toward heart disease and obesity. And if nothing changes and you keep eating this, you're gonna gain weight,
Yeah, you're not
and
getting the nutrients you need.
you're gonna give up on the whole plant-based or vegan diet. You're giving up, and you're thinking that doesn't work eating vegetables. It's because, especially the carnivore people out there, oh, well, carnivore is the way only you eat. No, is to get healthy. It's because they're not eating anything else besides the meats. It's more about what they're not eating versus what you're eating.